Om Shri Sai Ram. Welcome back to Sai Lakshmi YouTube channel. Faith and patience. Only two things which Sai Baba asked everyone to practice and believe. Here, experience of a devotee. From a college campus, I got into a company where I joined in mid-June. Because of some reason, I was not liking and enjoying my job. So in a span of 1 month, I left that job. That was really tough decision for me and a hard time. All my friends guided me not to quit this job unless and until I have other job in my hand. But somehow I quit the job. Then I came home, had few days to stay with my parents. In that period, I realized what is the true meaning of faith. I kept complete faith and never allowed my mind to get worried with thoughts. With Sai Baba's grace, I got best job in a span of 1 week and I got confirmation on Sai Baba's day, that is on Thursday. Not only I got a good job with a better salary, but also a good city too. I thanked Sai Baba, but I would consider my gratitude to Baba completely by performing best a new job. From past 4 to 5 years, I am in touch with Baba. With Baba's grace, I came to understand deep meaning of faith, which I have to put in words below. With Sai Baba's grace at different age, stage and experience of life, we understand even deeper meaning of grace of Baba. Many thanks to Manisha Didi who helped me to in various ways to understand this experience of Baba. To believe in Sai Baba even when we had not seen him in physical form, to believe that Sai Baba was there in Shirdi for many years, to believe that Sai Baba is still existing in every form and wherever in this world. Confidently believe that Sai Baba is aware of us, to believe that he knows what is going with us, to believe he is always watching us. Faith means we know and we have to surrender issues and sadness to Sai Baba. For example, consider the scenario when in our childhood days, when we were not well, we never thought who will take us to doctor, who will give us medicines. The answer is no. Why? Because we thought it's our parents who will do it with full love and devotion. So now when we grew up, we tend to keep issues in our mind. Even after knowing this fact that Sai Baba is our father and mother, we won't feel the way we tend to feel when we were kids. We should feel in the same manner. If we have faith in Sai Baba, we will always know that Sai Baba is aware of our problems, issues. When we were kid and now also we will know to hide our cover and issues. Faith is not related to mind. It's all in our heart. So if any particular life issue or corner is bothering us, we should ask our heart, why? Don't we have faith in Sai Baba? And if we have faith in our heart, the soon as a comfort will be there. Again the thought might come in our mind, take help of your heart and tell yourself, Sai Baba is there to take care. So have patience. Faith means that we have left everything to Sai Baba. We have given complete doorship to him. Faith means that we'll confidently believe that Sai Baba will ensure best for us. But we have to have patience. Faith means we believe that our hard time or during any trouble, Sai Baba is taking care of us and giving us energy, comfort, support and caring through all hurdles and bad phase of life. We should always ask our heart to keep faith in Sai Baba. Whenever we feel that we are in trouble, whenever mind gets too disturbed by logical thinking, collaborating and emotionally analyze many things at one time, ask your heart why. Don't you believe in Sai Baba? And have faith in Sai Baba and keep patience. Faith means we know that Sai Baba will give us darshan in any form and will make us feel happy every day. Even I can't explain that state of happiness. Most important, faith means that we believe Sai Baba will give us best. As when we have faith and we surrender our our life completely, then whatever is coming in our way is Sai Baba's grace. We don't know what we did in our past birth of. For this birth also we might feel we have not done anything wrong, but I feel we should not get into this theory of past karmas or future, as I think when we have surrendered our whole life and have complete faith in Him, from now onwards till end of our life, all our births, we will not do any wrong karmas. In fact, after giving donorship to Sai Baba, He will give us all the best things and will guide, make us to do all good things. Even if we have to suffer, Sai Baba will ensure our sufferings to the immense. So, as Sai Baba never liked, then we should not to do is to look into future by many means. When we surrender our whole life, Sai Baba will ensure that we will get all good thoughts and feelings. And even if any negative thought is coming in mind, have patience in our heart along with faith. Faith means to completely believing that whatever Sai Baba has taught us and his teaching is best and we are following it and we will always follow it. Faith means to believe Sai Baba in our Sadguru, God, Father, Mother and everything. Faith will ensure that all our egos, ignorance, arguments, nature, habit of logical interpretation, of tendencies, of life, fear, anger, overconfidence will get destroyed and we will live a devotee life and will perform all life activities with same devotion of considering it as the best gift from Sai Baba. Om Shri Sai Ram. Please do like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel.